Every few years, questions arise about eggs. Are they good or bad for you? What about their protein and cholesterol content? How often you can eat them? So let's crack open the facts about this meal. Hi friends, do you eat eggs in this morning?
No.
It is a nutritional powerhouse, a symbol of affordability and packed with natural nutrition. Egg has essential amino acids, so-called biological complete protein. It highlights their complete protein profile rich in choline, which is essential for brain health. Choline is an essential micronutrient for infant growth and development and typically found in eggs and beef liver with lower amount in plant-based foods such as almonds, broccoli, etc. Choline is an organic water-soluble compound. It is neither of vitamin and nor of minerals. Did you know? Fresh eggs sink while older eggs float due to the size of air cell inside them. Egg white contain vitamin B3, B2, and about 60% of total protein and 90% of the total vitamin B3. Egg yolk contain a larger amount of leucine and zeaxanthin, 90% of omega-3s, vitamin A, D, E, K, B5, B6, B12, folate, choline, and magnesium. It is more affordable protein sources. Eggs are agreed to be a nutrition and a safe. It can be used as an omelette, cake, poached, curry, boiled, and a different type of varieties. It is easily used for weight management, protein metabolism, allergic risks, and sustainability. Egg within a meal improves satiety, which could translate into lower energy intakes. I have already told you that eggs are a great source of choline. A choline is a nutrient that also helps prevent birth defect. A high source of protein can help build muscles and prevent muscles loss. It is also beneficial for our eye health. Leucine and zeaxanthin are two types of antioxidants found in egg which can prevent macular degeneration and cataract too. What is essential amino acids? Essential amino acids are a protein that the human body cannot produce and must be obtained from a diet. Cholesterol in the diet may not necessarily impact blood cholesterol level or your risk of heart disease in all people through research is still mixed. However, people with genetic disorder like familial hypercholesteremia carries of a gene variant may want to consider eating eggs in moderation. A high-density lipoprotein is a good cholesterol. People who have higher level of HDL usually have a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and other health problems. In some studies referred, eating one egg daily was associated with increases in HDL cholesterol and decreases in lower cholesterol level. So, a healthy people can eat up to 7 eggs per a week without affecting their heart health. Egg can be a good addition to a healthy, well-balanced diet. Just remember, when making an egg dish like an omelette, egg bake, ball, or egg toast to watch out for those high calories, high fat, and extra like cheese, bacon, and butter. And thank you so much for watching and listening to me, and keep loving and keep supporting. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care and have a good day.